Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to practice blending words with 5 sounds. First, let's review how to blend a word with only 4 sounds. Help me to tap out the word. Ul, p, lump. This word has 4 sounds. Let's try adding a letter to the word lump and see what happens. Let's tap it out. K, ul, p. Clump. This is a word with 5 sounds. How do we tap out a word with 5 sounds? Let me show you. K, ul, p. Clump. I had to reuse one of my fingers. Let's see that again. K, ul, p. Clump. I hope you tried that at home. Let's try tapping out more words with 5 sounds. In some words, a digraph will combine with a consonant to form a digraph blend. Let's try to tap out this word. Sh, I, p. Shrimp. Great job. Let's try that one more time. Try to use those fingers to tap out the word. Sh, I, p. Shrimp. Great job. You're doing wonderful. Let's try another word. This word has a glued sound in it. Let's tap it out. Sk-unk, skunk. Just because the word has a glued sound doesn't change that it has 5 sounds. Let's tap it out one more time. Sk-unk, skunk. Wonderful. Let's tap out some more words with 5 sounds. Get those tapping fingers ready. B, ul, s, t, blast. One more time. B, ul, s, t, blast. Great job. You are fantastic at this. Let's keep it up. Let's try another word. Remember, boys and girls, just because the word has a glued sound doesn't change that it has 5 of them. 5 sounds. Let's tap it out. T, unk, trunk. My goodness, I'm having so much fun tapping out words with you boys and girls. Let's give one more word a try. Okay, let's get ready to tap. S, u, e, p, t, slept. One more time. S, u, e, p, t, slept. You are so good at tapping out your words at home. Can you think of a word that has 5 sounds? Go ahead, think about it and tap it out. You did a great job today. See you next time.